Hello, welcome to Tweety demo video, and right in this video I'm going to show you how Tweety works. Tweety is a powerful software that allows you to leverage on daily top trends and drive unlimited buyers traffic to any links or offer in just 3 clicks. Also, Tweety allows you to automate your activities using AI and turn your account to money-making machine. So right now, let me log into my Tweety account and show you how this powerful software works. Click on Sign In, Sources. Great, this is my Tweety dashboard, and right here you can see all the reports. This is for the success campaign, this is for the fake campaign, and the total number of campaign. Alright, now the first thing you have to do is that you have to connect your account to Tweety, and you do that by clicking on My Account. Then right here you click on Add Twitter Profile. Then you click on Authorize App. And click on Add Profile. Alright, sources. Now, your account has been connected to Tweety, and you can click here to add a new post and start driving unlimited targeted traffic to your offer or to your website. With Tweety, you can create photo post, video post, link post, and text post. Alright. Now, let's start with the photo post. You can select photo from File Manager, or you upload from your computer. At the same time, you can import file from Google Drive, from Dropbox, from OneDrive, and also from the media URL. Alright, so File Manager, you select the image you want to use for your campaign. You can select more than one image, and right here you can shovel all the images, and this is the preview section. At the same time, you can also delete any image you don't want to use, and right here you can enter your caption, or you click on Get Caption to select from existing caption. So you can select from your existing caption, and you can also put the link here so that your audience can place orders straight away. Alright, and right here you can select the advanced option. Tweety allows you to specify the country you want to target, so you can target a particular country. Awesome, so you select the country you want to target right here, and you can click on Post Now, or you schedule the post. So just enter the timing right here and the interval, and the post will be scheduled. Okay, also you can add video post. You click on video and you select your video, or you upload from Google Drive. So you click on the video and you click on Add, and you can see this is the video right here. You can also send direct traffic to any link or any offer. You just have to enter your link right here, and once you click on Post Now, you start getting viral traffic to your website or to your offer. And you can also make use of the test post. Also, Tweety allows you to piggyback on daily top trends, keywords, and hashtags globally and get targeted traffic to your offer. All you have to do is to click on Top Trends, and this is going to open for you. We have all the countries right here, so you can select the country you want. So let's select Toronto, Canada. Right now, these are the top trends for Toronto, Canada. This is the volume, and about 306,000 people are searching for this keyword hunter. Over 481,000 people are searching for this keyword, and close to 1 million people are searching for this keyword in Toronto, Canada. And you can actually leverage on this and put this keyword in your post and start getting viral traffic. All you have to do is to copy this keyword and put right inside your post. So copy the keyword with huge volume and put inside your post. And you specify the targeting right here. So you enter the country with the keyword right here, so you can actually target the audience in that country. So this is it, Toronto, Canada. Alright, what that means is that once people in Toronto, Canada search for any of this keyword, your post will show up, and you start getting viral traffic because the targeting is Toronto, Canada, and this keyword has huge volume in Toronto, Canada, and your post will show up to people that are searching for this keyword, and you start getting viral traffic. At the same time, you can also leverage on Tweety Spinner. The Tweety Spinner helps you to get fresh and unique content automatically. You can spin test, you can add content to your Tweety campaign, and start driving unlimited traffic to your website. To do that, all you have to do is to copy your caption right here and paste inside Tweety Spinner. Then you click on I am not a robot and click on spin, and automatically a fresh and unique content will be generated for you. So you can copy this and paste right inside your caption, or you can actually add it to the caption section here for later use. Alright, also Tweety allows you to set auto activities for your campaign using AI. So you click on this to set your auto activities, and right here you click on settings, and you can select what you want to do here. You have the favorite, the reply, retweet, follow, and unfollow and welcome DM. Favorite allows you to auto-favorite tweet that contains a particular keyword or hashtag. The reply allows you to automatically respond to followers' comments on your post or campaign with your site or product link, and helps you to stay active 24/7. Retweet allows you to get fresh content and auto-retweet a specific Twitter users or list of Twitter users when they send out a tweet that contains your divine keyword or hashtag. And the follows allows you to automatically follow active Twitter accounts in your niche. You can set your own keyword and hashtag in your niche and automatically follow people in your niche. Also, the unfollow allows you to automatically unfollow Twitter followers who are not following you back. And the welcome DM allow you to automatically send instant welcome message to your new followers. This delivers 100% to inbox, unlike email marketing, and you can even embed your website or offer link to boost your sales and leads. Alright, so all you have to do is just to customize a few things here. You can actually set your targeting right here. Okay, you can specify the speed right here. You can set your filter here, and there you can input your reply here. You can actually set a predefined message that goes out to your user automatically. Messages like this, and you click on add new. Also, you can set your follow and the unfollow. You can customize your unfollow, and right here too you can input your welcome DM. This message will be automatically sent to your new followers, and you can embed it with your website link, okay, to boost your sales. Alright, also right here you can specify the tag. You can specify your keyword here and the username. Okay, so you can customize everything, and once you do, you click on start, and the AI will automate the whole thing for you, and you start getting unlimited buyers traffic to your offer or to your link. Okay, also we have my inbox, and right here you can manage your inbox right inside Tweety. The analytics allows you to monitor your account and see how your account is performing and what you need to change right inside your account. And when you go here, you can actually manage your schedule and see posts that are being published and future posts. Okay, right here you can see all the queue, all the published posts, and all the unpublished posts. Tweety also comes with inbuilt image editor that allows you to create and edit professional images and engage your audience at a go. So you click on my gallery to edit your image, and then right here you click on the pencil icon to actually edit your image instantly. And right here you can actually crop your image, you can flip the image, you can rotate, you can draw on the image, you can add shape, icon, and text. You can bold the text, underline, change the font style, and everything you want to do. Also, you can mask the image and also filter. Okay, and these are some other high elements you're also going to need in your image editor, as you can see. So this is a very powerful image editor that actually helps you to create engaging images for your audience. And once you're through, you click on save to save the image. So you can undo here, then you click on save, and the image will be saved right here. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Tweety is loaded with lots of other features, and as you can see, this is a very powerful software that allows you to put your links in front of millions of people, automate your sales, and start getting results. And the sweetest part is that Tweety works perfectly for every niche. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.